Why do German truck drivers put an iron chain under the car and keep beating their tires? Seeing its usefulness, you can understand how important it is. You must be careful when driving in snow, as slippery snow is prone to traffic accidents. In order to cope with such bad road conditions, people will install anti-skid chains on the tires. Although it has a certain effect, it is not only troublesome to install but also very inconvenient for drivers who drive on ice and snow roads all year round. The Germans invented an automatic anti-skid chain, which is usually hidden in the chassis of the vehicle. When encountering a slippery road, you only need to press the switch in the car and the anti-skid chain will automatically unfold and rotate. The iron chain is fed under the wheel so that the wheel is always pressed against the iron chain, which greatly increases the friction of the tire. In fact, the set of equipment is very convenient. It is composed of three main parts: cylinder bracket and anti-skid chain. It can be installed near the tires according to the chassis structure of different vehicles. It can be seen that after the anti-skid chains are turned on, the grip of the truck is instantly improved a lot. In this way, the large truck fully loaded with goods can travel more safely on the snow. Moreover, the iron chain will also crush the ice and snow on the ground during the whipping process, which has a certain snow sweeping effect.